Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how you can install LimeSurvey on a local server. So just to remind you that LimeSurvey is software in order to create some qualitative data analysis. It's free software, so the license allows you to do many things, and it's a software that's something that you need to download and install on a web server. As you may not want to use the cloud of LimeSurvey for personal reason, or as you just want to play with LimeSurvey without purchasing any cloud web server, well, you can install it on your local server. It's no big deal. It's not that difficult as far as you know how to install other software such as WordPress, Matomo, or any other free software which are PHP, MySQL, because the DNA of LimeSurvey is PHP MySQL. Okay, so first thing that you need to know is that the software need to be downloaded on community.limesurvey.org at the time of this video. Here is the link that we have an interest in. So this is a zip package. So just go over here, you just click on save the link, and then you go on your server. So here I'm on my server. I'm gonna do like a sudo wget, and then I can download the software. So now the software is downloaded. So now I need to unzip it. So I do unzip, and then that's LimeSurvey. So what's gonna happen when it's unzipped is that I get all my installation file which are listed over here on my local server. As you can see, I get admin, application, composer, and so on and so forth. So exactly like a Matomo or a WordPress, you will get your installation files which are over here. Next, what you need to do is that you just need to go over here, just need to tap localhost and then LimeSurvey, and you get this page. What this page is telling you is, okay, LimeSurvey has no rights yet. You need to give the rights to your web server on which LimeSurvey has been, on which the file have been deployed on, and you need to give the permission to your server to be able to deploy those installation files. This is what they're saying you over here by this error message, which is not very, let's say, informative. So what they wanted to say is this: you need to perform sudo change owner, then give the user rights over here the possibility to write on the folder of your server. So you go over here and you just perform I think this part should be okay. Just gonna double check. Yeah, that will be better. So you just go like this, and that should be fine. So here you gave the permission to your server to write. So if you go over here and you refresh the page, you will get this page saying that, okay, now the web server has the authorization. Okay, language selection, then you can click on start the installation. This is the license under the GPL license. You click here on accept. Here's the check, so it's what is required in order for LimeSurvey to run. This is your current server installation, so to say here everything is okay. And dealing with the optional module, it means that here I'm lacking something. So if I would like to fix this part out, I will need to see on my server how can I set the given extension or module IMAP library in order to have the full let's say the full module. So let's say if at some point within LimeSurvey when I'm using it, I'm seeing that I have some issues with something, I probably should go on my server and try to install IMAP library. Here, for the sake of this tutorial, I don't mind. Okay, next they're gonna ask me, okay, please tell me with which database I should connect myself to. I have not yet, so I have a MySQL server database, but I don't have yet created the database in order to host the data within it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to access on my server. So in order to access to my server, I do sudo MySQL. Now I'm on my server, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a database. I'm going to call it LimeSurvey2 because I already have one, and to this LimeSurvey2 I'm going to give the rights for the user that I have within my MySQL database. So now it's done. So I have my user, so my user is Ranan, my database password is this one, database name is just so it's LimeSurvey2. Okay, So as you can see, it's really similar to a Matomo, to a WordPress. As far as you know how to perform one installation, you should be fine for all the other one. Here they say, okay, you have a database, do you want to populate the database with blah, blah, blah? Yes, of course, I want to do this. So populate the database. Then it's asking me for the password. Here you don't really care about the password over here because that's everything's local. And here you can put your personal email address if you want, and that's it. So now you have your LimeSurvey installed locally. So here you just type in your admin, here you type your password, and you are ready to go. So you can start to do the tour, or you can, so here they are telling you, okay, blah, 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 you don't have SSL, but I think it's all right. And here you can already start to go create your first survey and start to play with LimeSurvey. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.